This is how you can get the block theme from WP.org repository as a no coder. After going to GitHub, to the repository here, you're gonna come here on this green button which is reading code. Click on the arrow that is pointing down, then click download zip. After you save it on your computer, then you're gonna have to navigate where you've saved it. After navigating to where you've saved it, you will open it. Then you're gonna have to go inside here, double click the zip folder, then go to the sources folder, WP content, then themes. You see over here. Once you go to themes, the theme is here. So we consider this as the child theme. Now, you can take this to your WordPress installation, but before that, you know child themes don't work without parents. But even before that, let's try to take it there. So I'm gonna zip this. I'm gonna compress it like that. Then I have a WordPress installation here in local WP. Click WP admin to open the admin side. Then I'll click PRS themes, add a theme, upload the theme, source, WP content themes. Then remember what I zipped. I'll select that. And after selecting that, install now. Let's see what it does. Yeah, it has come, but down here, it is saying that the active theme has the following error. The parent theme is missing. Please install the WP.org parent 21 parent theme. That tells us that what we had is the child theme. Now, to get this one, which is the parent, we will go back to this repository and scroll down here. Here, they are saying the current site uses WP.org parent and WP.org main child. Well, the new design will be done with WP.org parent 2021 and WP.org main 2022, this repo. So the theme switcher in MU plugins here should control which theme is used based on the requested page. So I'll click here, WP.org parent 2021, and I'll take the same process. I'll go here, then I'll click download as zip, then I'll click save, and I'll go into the folder where it's been downloaded. Then I will unzip it. Then I'll go inside it. I'll click source, WP content, themes. You can see here we have actually two. We have the parent and the child. Zip it and upload it through WP admin. So I'll go to themes and I will click add new, then upload. So I have to go to downloads, WP parent, try WP themes, then parent, I'll click open, then upload. Theme installed. Now if I go to themes, there is this one, and here's the child. If I activate here, some errors have occurred. So when these errors occur, what are you gonna do? So called undefined function looks like there's something that is missing in the MU plugins directory. This is the MU, and in the MU there is only this. So I think if I go back to the repository, if I come back to the repository, there is something that was said about the MU, if you remember. So WP.org MU plugins in both sets of things. So looks like I may have to go in this here. Okay, MU. So I may need this. So what I may have to do is to download this as a zip as well. And after doing that, I'm going to go to here and inside here. Then I'll go inside here and I'm gonna pick, you know what? I'll copy everything here for now. Then I'll go in WP content, MU plugins, and I'll paste the 12 items. And now let's go back to appearance. The parent theme WP logo parent is activated. And I expect that this is the child theme. If I activate it, what happens? Yeah. So it has also been activated. If you find that your WordPress website is showing these warnings, then you have to go in the PHP settings and turn off warnings. But if you're a developer, these warnings also help you to know what is missing. Let me hope this video is going to help you. Thank you.